Welcome back to Auto Legends. Today we're diving into one of the most talked about comebacks in the automotive world, the 2025 Chevrolet Impala. The Impala is a name with serious history. It's been an icon for Chevrolet since the 1950s, representing style, comfort, and American luxury. Now, after a few years off the market, the Impala is back and reimagined for a new era. Let's take a look at what makes the 2025 Impala a worthy successor to its legendary nameplate. Starting with design, Chevrolet went all in to make this Impala stand out. You can immediately tell it's built for modern elegance, but with a hint of that classic American flair that made the Impala famous. The new 20-inch alloy wheels, available in a range of finishes, add an extra level of style, and the overall stance is lower and wider, enhancing its road presence. Moving to the heart of the Impala, Chevy offers a couple of engine options to appeal to different drivers. For those who prioritize fuel efficiency, there's a 2.0-liter turbocharged four-cylinder engine that offers a great balance of power and economy. But for those craving more punch, there's an upgraded 3.6-liter V6 engine that delivers smooth, responsive performance and a satisfying rumble that brings back the nostalgia of classic American sedans. Both engines are paired with a refined 9-speed automatic transmission, which delivers smooth shifts and helps maximize fuel efficiency on the highway. Now let's step inside where the Impala really shines. The 2025 model boasts a spacious, tech-focused interior that feels premium from the moment you sit down. Soft touch materials, optional leather seating, and ambient lighting create a luxurious atmosphere. The dashboard is dominated by a large, high-definition touchscreen that's fully compatible with Chevrolet's latest infotainment system, supporting wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and voice controls. The digital driver display is customizable, allowing you to set up everything from navigation to performance stats right in your line of sight. One of the coolest upgrades for 2025 is Chevy's semi-autonomous driving tech, available on certain trims. The system, perfect for highway cruising, handles steering, acceleration, and braking under certain conditions, letting drivers relax a bit more on longer trips. Safety features are also top-notch with standard blind spot monitoring, automatic emergency braking, and adaptive cruise control, giving you peace of mind whether you're commuting or road tripping. In terms of comfort, rear seat passengers will appreciate the generous legroom and premium upholstery options. There's even an available panoramic sunroof, which lets in tons of natural light, adding to the car's upscale feel. And with 18 cubic feet of trunk space, the Impala offers ample room for luggage or shopping hauls. Chevrolet has also designed the Impala with sustainability in mind, offering a hybrid option for those looking to reduce their carbon footprint. This new hybrid powertrain combines performance with impressive fuel economy, showing Chevrolet's commitment to a greener future without sacrificing power or driving enjoyment. Overall, the 2025 Chevrolet Impala brings back everything we loved about the classic Impala while adding a modern twist. It's a stylish, tech-packed, and powerful sedan that stands out in today's market. Whether you're a longtime fan of the Impala or new to the name, the 2025 model has something for everyone. Thanks for watching Auto Legends. Be sure to hit that like button if you enjoyed the video and subscribe to the channel for more reviews and news on the latest cars. Let us know in the comments what you think of the new Impala and if you'd consider getting one for yourself. Until next time, keep it legendary.